Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to be making our onions for hair growth. Okay, I have never tried this onions juice before, but I have made my research in the internet, in YouTube, and people have said so many good things about onions. I've made so many reviews about onions, and I will also like to try mine today and see how this help in growing my hair. And for this I'll be needing 1 onions and 2 garlic. Okay, these two family works very well together. Onions, garlic has a lot of sulfur, okay, even more than onions. And for the blend I will be needing also some aloe vera juice. I don't want to add water and not to also use only onions because I may not have a lot of juice out of onions. This aloe vera, you can get it if you live here in Germany. You can get it everywhere in the Rosma or even so let's get this video started. I'm going to start by peeling our onions. See, you don't peel much of your onions, okay, because also this has a lot of benefit in it, so you just peel it. So I'm just going to add a little bit of my juice inside, nothing much. Please do not forget this part, okay? Try to use a cheesecloth to remove all the onions juice, because all of this rest here is going to stick in your hair and will take forever and ever to come out, okay, especially for those of you with a very tight coils. You should never forget doing this. So this is our juice. This is what I got. I'm just going to transfer it into this bottle here, and I will be adding this cayenne pepper, a little bit of this cayenne pepper, okay. This guy helps so well in stimulating blood flows to your hair, and that gives you also a faster hair growth. So I'm just going to add a little bit, less than a tea tablespoon, okay. Close it, mix it well, and our juice is ready to use. For my rinse, I'll be making rosemary tea to rinse up my hair when I'm done with this onions juice. But first, let me go and apply this, show you how I apply it on my hair. And again, I'm going to add up some of my lavender oil, just to, I don't know if you can see and read this very well. The light under is so strong that you cannot read this very well. So this is my lavender oil. I'm going to just add up like 5 drops of this oil inside to reduce the smell, okay. If you don't mind, you can leave it, but I want to reduce the smell. You can as well add up a lot of essential oils that you have, but my lavender oil is already enough. Okay. So I'm just going to start by unraveling all this hair. And please, while doing your onions juice, try by all means not to wear your best t-shirt, okay? Because I don't think this will be good on your nice t-shirts. Just put on anything you know that you can as well get it stained. I have some t-shirts, I use them only when I'm making my hair. Special for my hair. Special hair t-shirts. You guys to try and get your special hair t-shirts, okay, so that you won't destroy all your clothes. I'm not just going to try this onions juice for once, because if you just try this for once, I don't think it's going to work on a once use. You know, anything you're doing with your hair should always be a continuously process, okay? That's mean you try it weeks and months. For me, I'm going to try this for about 3 months, let's say 3 months. Even when you people go to market and buy hair products, hair oils or hair serum, it doesn't say it's going to work on you guys after 1 week. Most of the hair serum is written used for 3 to 6 months, and that goes the same way with your home remedies, your home oils, onions juice, whatever you make for your hair as hair growth. You should always give it long time, okay? Patiently give it long time. They need to work. And again, I'm going to start using this onions juice on a dirty hair, okay? My hair is not washed. I don't think it's the best idea using this on a clean hair, so I'm using it on a dirty hair. So after then, I'm just going to use my shampoo, follow it up with my conditioner and my milk cream. Here I have just water in this bottle, a warm water. I always use warm water on my hair because it just helps in losing all these oils and open my pimples and make it easy to work with. So I'm just going to use this warm water here, spray it on my hair. And again, I'm not putting this onions juice on my hair. I'm just going to apply it only on my scalp, okay, not on my ends. My water. Now first detangle everything before applying the onions juice. Shake it again. So I'm just going to massage this. The aloe vera juice inside help also to moisturize my scalp and as well clear any issue I may have with my scalp, okay, and as well promote hair growth. This onions juice is very, very strong, so please don't use it every day in your hair because it's going to be too much or too harsh on you, okay? I think once in the week will be enough. I will be doing this once every week unless I have my hair in a protective style, like braids or wigs, like any other kinds of hairstyles, but not for everyday use. It's not for everyday use. I won't be using this for everyday use. It's too harsh. You see, I just gently massage it inside. I am not applying it here, okay? You see, this is the reason why you shouldn't wear your best t-shirt. As you can see, I'm using my finger to detangle my hair first. Oh my god, this is so runny. Please, while doing this, you should be very careful with your eyes, okay? Because if this onions juice goes into your hair, eyes, you are going to feel a lot of pain. A lot. So try to avoid your eyes. And trying by all means for this guy not to enter my eyes. So this is running. It's not smelling that much bad. So as you can see, I still get myself another t-shirt because this guy was running. It was running all over, going into my skin, and I hate that feeling, okay? And it's not harsh at all on my scalp. I was thinking it's going to be so harsh because of the kind pepper, but it's not harsh. I think maybe because of the aloe vera juice or whatsoever, I don't know, but it's not harsh on my scalp at all. For most of you who you cannot bear something like this, you can try it somewhere on your skin. If it's good, you apply it on your hair, but I advise you should always check it somewhere else. You first try it before using it on your hair, okay? So I'm just going to use the rest and make sure that I put it everywhere in my scalp, okay? And I want to use all of this today. I don't want to keep anything. Anytime I want to make my onions juice, I'm going to just make it fresh. For me, I prefer not to cook my onions juice. I think this way it works better. But you can cook yours if you want. If you don't know how to make your cooking onions juice, leave your comments, okay? Let me know, and I'm going to also share with you so many ways you can make your onions, maybe onions oil or whatsoever you wish. Let me know, and I will definitely share that with you. So I'm just going to leave this. Oh god, I hate this. Oh god, I hate it so much. And I'm still adding more. I hate it, and I'm still adding more. This year I want to achieve more length, okay? I don't want my hair to remain like this. I want my hair to grow a little bit longer, okay? I have not also measured my hair to see, but I know the stage my hair is now, and I want to achieve it a little bit more longer. I'm going to cover this. And let this sit about 1 hour, and then I will just go straight and wash my hair and condition it. Okay, you can leave this for 1.5 hour, but not overnight. Overnight will not be a good idea. I will never ever leave this overnight on my hair. 1 hour should be enough for the beginning. So I will see you guys back in 1 hour time. It's exactly 1 hour now, so I'm going to use this shampoo to wash my hair. This shampoo works very good, and it's not expensive. Okay, and it's also a repair shampoo with honey, has all the ingredients I love. Okay, and also here I have my deep conditioner. I made this deep conditioner. It's my homemade conditioner using yogurt and amla, honey, and all that kinds of things. Please share with me. Let me know if you want me to do something like this for you guys. Okay, this conditioner is so good. You are going to love it when you try it on your hair. I just use natural yogurt to do this, and it's so good, so good, and save you also a lot of money. Okay, so I'm just going to wash my hair and then apply this. So this is my hair washed and conditioner. I put also my leave-in conditioner inside. I use this leave-in conditioner. Okay, this leave-in conditioner smells so good, and that helped also in reducing the onion smell. And for my hair, it's not smelling at all. You cannot smell that strong smell of onions. My hair is only smelling like this leave-in conditioner. It smells so good. For most of you who have used this leave-in, you will know that it smells so good. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you people updates concerning this onions juice. If my hair is not in a style, I'm going to be using every week this onions juice. Okay, once a week, and I'm going to try this for about 3 to 6 months before I can tell you guys if it's working or if it's not working. You cannot try something once and say it's working. All I know is that my scalp feels so good after I washed and conditioned my hair. It gives me that good feeling. Okay, so guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you all so much for your time, for watching this video from the beginning to the end, for your likes, for your comments. Please, before you leave, don't forget to give me like. Okay, like and subscribe to this channel. Click the notify bell so that whenever I upload my video, you'll be the first to watch. Okay, thank you guys and stay fit. Bye.